Hello, my name is Lizzie Maltz, and today I will be presenting on my final portfolio project about the AI-powered supply chain optimization project at Target Corporation. This presentation is part of my coursework for Introduction to Project Management. The project's main objective is to optimize Target's supply chain by integrating AI tools to enhance demand forecasting, inventory management, and customer satisfaction. There are several key deliverables, including an AI-powered inventory system, staff training, and post-implementation evaluation. The schedule spans from May 2025 to March 2026, with major milestones in the planning, developmental, training, and full rollout phases. The predicted budget for the project is $1.3 million in initial costs, followed by annual operational costs. Organizationally, this project involves a cross-functional team, including AI experts, IT staff, and department leads for procurement and logistics. The focus of this project is to improve inventory accuracy, reduce operational costs, and enhance the customer experience at Target. Here is the organizational chart for the project. At the top, we have the project manager overseeing the entire initiative. Below them, we have the department leads who handle specific areas such as IT infrastructure, AI vendor management, and training. The roles are clearly defined to ensure accountability. For example, the IT team is responsible for system integration, while the training team focuses on employee education and ensuring successful adoption of the new system. This process flow diagram illustrates the key stages of the project, from the initial planning phase to post-implementation review. The diagram outlines tasks and their sequence, including vendor selection, system development, training, integration, and performance evaluation. It provides a high-level view of how the project will progress throughout each phase. The risk management plan addresses potential challenges that may arise during the project. Key risks include delays in the vendor integration, unexpected system failures, and resistance to AI adoption by staff. To mitigate these risks, there is a contingency fund set aside, built-in buffer times for key milestones, and scheduled regular check-ins with stakeholders to ensure alignment. There will also be ongoing support and training provided to minimize adoption resistance. Here is the Gantt chart, which shows the detailed timeline of the project. This chart maps out each project phase from planning to full rollout and including important milestones and deadlines. It also shows dependencies between tasks, helping to track the progress and identify any potential delays early on. The stakeholder communication plan ensures that all parties involved are kept informed throughout the project's lifecycle. Regular updates will be provided through meetings, emails, and status reports. Identified key stakeholders include senior leadership, department heads, and external vendors. Clear and consistent communication will ensure alignment and timely issue resolution. This slide presents the updated and detailed budget proposal for the project. Please note that the earlier budget shared during the initial project planning phase was only an estimate. What you see here reflects a more refined allocation based on analysis and alignment with the hybrid project management methodology. The total project budget is $5.1 million, broken down across several major categories, including salaries and labor costs, AI software development and licensing, training and HR, hardware and software, travel and logistics, regulatory compliance and legal costs, testing and prototyping, and a contingency fund. For this project, a hybrid methodology was selected, combining both waterfall and agile approaches. The waterfall method applies to more structured phases, such as planning and post-implementation review, while agile is used for flexible phases like system development and training. This combination ensures control over key deliverables while staying adaptable to changes and challenges that arise during the project. The cost-benefit analysis shows that the total initial investment for the project is $1.3 million, and the projected annual benefits are estimated to total $1.75 million. This leads to a 34.6% return on investment in the first year, making this a good financial investment. Investing in this AI-powered supply chain optimization project provides significant advantages for Target. The AI tools will increase efficiency by improving demand forecasting, leading to higher sales and reduced storage costs. The project also aligns with Target's sustainability goals by reducing waste and optimizing transportation efficiency. Overall, it offers long-term strategic benefits by enhancing supply chain operations and improving customer satisfaction. One of the things that went really well during this project was my ability to manage a large amount of detailed information and organize it clearly. I'm really proud of how I brought together multiple components from different weeks into one cohesive project. I'm also proud of how realistic and thorough the budget proposal turned out. It felt like I was putting myself in the shoes of a real project manager at a company like Target, which made the project feel meaningful and applicable beyond the classroom. One of the biggest challenges was towards the end when figuring out how to tie everything together. Having the project broken up into weekly assignments was really helpful. Another challenge was making the project feel as realistic as possible. Having to do extra research, specifically to understand how AI integration works in a large corporation, was a lot of work, but worth it in the end. This project taught me how important it is to balance structure with flexibility, like the methodology I chose. I'm a person who needs a clear plan, and when something unexpected happens, it kind of messes me up. But with this project, I was able to see that being adept, especially when getting new information or feedback, is equally important as having a clear plan. I also got a better sense of what it takes to manage a real-world tech project, from budgeting to risk planning, and that experience has made me feel more confident in my project management skills. Overall, this project helped me connect classroom concepts with real-world applications in a way that was both challenging and rewarding. It gave me a glimpse into what it's like to manage a large-scale, technology-driven initiative and taught me how to think strategically from multiple angles. Thank you to my instructor and classmates for the support and feedback along the way. It really helped the shape of this final portfolio. I appreciate the opportunity to work on something that pushed me creatively and practically.